Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing the first term syllabus for mathematics kindergarten. So let's move on to the first part of the video, and that is numbers. So in the number section, first we reinforce which was done previously in the previous class. I have given the syllabus for mathematics of the previous class, so you can go check out my playlist on my channel, and over there you will find all the syllabus starting from pre-nursery to nursery. Okay, so the first thing that we introduce is the numbers, which is from 1 till 100. And in this activity, they do the TY boards, which I'll put a picture over here, which is done in the Montessori section. And it is very easy and helpful for the child to differentiate in between ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, so moving on to the next one is the shapes. Circle. The shapes are being done randomly just for their identification. But now they'll be moving on to memorizing the names of the shapes in words. Okay, so the next one is the quantity. How much quantity has been introduced and done in the previous class, so they know how much 1 and 2 carries. So the next part is match numbers with quantity. Okay, so number is given and they have to match the quantity. So these basically they do it in a worksheet for the child, for the teacher's understanding how much a child knows. The next one is the number writing, which is done from 100 till 150. Okay, so every week or like maybe a gap of 2 weeks, the children are there learning from 100 to 110. Then they move on to the next part and the next one. Okay, the next one is number in words. So from 1 till 10, they are learning words from 1, 2, 3, 4. In words, they are memorizing. Okay. Okay, introduction of solids. So they're doing shapes, but then they later on, because in the second term they'll be doing the solids, the geometrical solids with the children. So geometrical solids are being shown to the child and making sure that they feel it and they have their muscular memory in their head that how each solids are and how do they look. Okay, so over here as I told you, the shapes are being introduced in their previous class as well, but now they are going to memorize the names of the shapes in words. Okay, so how can you memorize the shapes? CIRCLE, CIRCLE, circle. OVAL, 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 oval. SQUARE, SQUARE, square. Okay, these two don't rhyme, so still TRIANGLE, TRIANGLE, triangle. RECTANGLE, RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay, so this is how you can make them memorize the names of the shape and they can easily write them down. The next part is what comes before, between, and after. So the numbers from 1 till 50 is being given to the child, and they're being asked what comes before 38 or what comes after 38. Okay. Next one is circle the smaller number and circle the bigger number. So numbers from 11 to 50 are given, and they're being asked to circle which is the bigger and which is the smaller. Okay. So they know it with the help of quantity as well, I will say. Okay. Introduction of simple one-digit addition, subtraction with the help of pictures and things around them. So for example, if I have these pens with me over here, and if I have these two pens with them, if I tell the child if I add in all together, how many are there? So they'll say 3. So if I tell him that I have taken away one pen from these two pens, so how many are left? So he will say 2. So addition and subtraction are being the activities done like this. Okay, so basic one-digit numbers are being given. Over here we're doing, in this class they're doing one-digit numbers. Okay, so ones, they know about tens and ones with the help of the TY board I mentioned, so it's very easy for them to know the difference. Okay, so make sure that the ones and tens are introduced with the beads as well. So in the Montessori system, the counting beads are very helpful for the child to count and memorize how many are in, if there are 2 10 beads, how many will be, if there are 3 10 beads, how many will they be. The last one is the geometrical cabinet. So in the geometrical cabinet, I'll put a picture over here. You'll see there are shapes in them. So children can do activity of tracing, holding the knob and tracing the shapes and coloring within the shapes. Okay, so this is how they can have the muscular memory of how the shapes are and how many sides they are. So this was the first term syllabus for maths. I hope that this video was helpful for you. You can go check out the playlist on my channel, and you can have all the syllabus that I've done for the previous classes as well. So thank you so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.